put a pinch of salt here and mix everything together until it looks like this. You see, it doesn't drop. Going to add a teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm going to mix this into this and afterwards this. Now let's dive into decorating this naked cake. For this project I have here 3 sponge cakes, and for each cake I'm going to add a coating of raspberry syrup on top of it. I am going to add a bit of frosting on my cake board in order to secure the cake. Then add the frosting and, well, I forgot about the syrup, so oh well, this is what I'm going to do. And add more frosting in order to save the problem. For the next layer I fixed the issue and I only added the syrup then frosting. I am going to put a bit of pressure on the second layer so that there is no air between the layers and the cake will be stable. Here I am cutting some strawberries and I'm going to put them between the layers so that there is more flavor to the cake. A bit of personal information about how I chose this cake for my baby's first year photos is that I was thinking that he wasn't going to eat the whole cake, and since I have 3 layers of cake I would add some sugar into it so that adults can eat it with pleasure and not ask me, why did you do so many layers of cake with no sugar? In the end I was right. Liam only ate the fruits on the cake and he even didn't touch the frosting, he just put it aside, if you've seen the introduction of this video. So yes, my baby only eats fruits. Maybe your baby will eat the cake, I don't know. In this case you might look around and see if there are any recipes that don't add sugar to the sponge cake. For me, I didn't want to try something new so that it will be a failure, and I didn't have enough time to try out different recipes. The sponge cake recipe is something that I've done before and I knew it will be a success for me. This is the end result and I love it. I hope you like it too. Next, I'm going to show you some footage and some photos from our anniversary photo session. They were all taken before coronavirus came to us and didn't allow us to see our friends anymore. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye!